Jonge.
We can start.
Okay. Ay, yo, bangu the real Vix. Sure, the real Vix.
Kalanja.
And that's because I would assume kulo grade 10
Yeah.
Kalingom songs.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
So let's not waste. It's gonna be a short, but maybe like a quick one. Half past. We have to go half three, so we can just go 50 minutes or so. Yeah. Latest, I would say an hour. So yeah. If there's anything I understand you, or they can always ask bona ku chat about him mhlawumbe ixoxisonethile yonke loo nto yabo. I think it's easier that way. So without wasting a lot of time, we can tune in. Hopefully everyone has downloaded the question paper.
No, akho need. But if bafuna download question paper le ngu 2018.
Yeah,
Yeah.
2018 grade. So factorize the following expressions in full. So it's 1.1.1. So it's 4x minus 1x to the power 3.
Yeah. X cubed.
X cubed. So Papa express the following equation in full. That means sifuna ususa yonke into engu-squared, engu-cube, engu-power to the 4. Bon, we just want to simplify yonke like into. Bon, yabo. So here, what we can do, since there's two terms, ngu-4x, enye ngu-x to the power 3, so siyakwazi ukhupha like term between the two, so common. So sikhupha x ephandle, sishiye u-4 minus x to the power square. Yabo. Then from there onwards, since it's in a son of my 4 minus x squared, then that we can factorize.
Difference of two squares.
Yeah, difference of two squares, but it was factorize. So 2, so siyibeka kwi-binomials.
Okay, now nohlonela uthi sesilapha.
Yeah.
So sinohlonela, not the real Vix.
Yeah. So
Sure.
two binomials, then so i-numbers ezawo xa sizimultiplya ezizakwenziwa u-4, so it's going to be 2 and 2 since a positive, so zombini zaba positive. Then u-x izaba n-x this side, izaba n-x that side. And ukuze, since there's no middle term basically, so we have to say plus and minus kuba like x squared wethu minus. So anything, if you multiply a positive and negative, will always be negative. So then that should be it. If anyone
Nohlonela seyibekile apha.
any questions,
Si-chat ngo-x minus 2 plus 2.
yeah.
Phofu ngobe ndithetha nge-difference of two squares kathi so nje mbi-maths, so iyabonakala your x, so le uyakwazi ukuthi 2 squared minus x squared, so i-difference of 2 squared ngula b squared minus maybe kanye ibe ngu-a squared, then yona uyakwazi uyijika as u-b minus a, then ibe ngu-b plus a.
Yeah.
B plus a. Yabo. So which ungayifactorize ngale ndlela le okanye usuku apply nje qha i-difference of two squares nje qha, but it all goes back to into eyi-1. Check i-chat andiyiboni kakuhle apha, but
into engajonga efowunini.
ngijonge ifowuni andiyazi le nto le ndifake apha, so
So I think like this one is an easy 2 marks. Yeah. Doing this. Then I would say something can phone
God, ungaconfirma the real Vicks, are you good for la question leyo because kukhona la ngibonile ngathi sebhale ne-answer enapha.
that's all. Cannot preach side.
Oh yeah, no.
Then can no, I don't think there's a zine like as questions. I think that's why we're running Sibalera goes. So we can do the second one.
Man, mutual, yeah. Yeah.
So we can do the second one. Can see. So it's x squared plus 15x minus 54. So now it's we factorizing it. So what I was taught, so if we further into two brackets basically. So what we do, funeka sifumane i-factors ka-54 esizawuthi xa sizidibanisa zi-equate to 15. So i-factors zika-54 ndingazibeka nje apha ecaleni. So this is 54. I-factors zakhe in 11 and 4. That equates to 54.
44. 44.
54.
Yeah.
Factors.
Factors for U54.
Yeah. Into enjongayo
Now, 6 no 19 abamenzi. No man, not 6 no 19.
So singaqala ndidivide by 2 but uthakazo sibani.
Jonge nje khaya.
Factors. So 30, 28, 26, 26 and 2. Yeah, but plus 26 multiplied by 2 is equal to 54. Then we can go further. Say to 13 or 4.
27 no 2.
27 now.
27 no 2. Yiphi nje calculator.
Then enye should be ufoyena ngangubani? 35.
Yeah, no. Mela uthi 18 no 3.
So phinde kubekho 18 and 3.
Yeah.
Beyiphi ayokwenye?
Enye yeah, 6 times 9 9.
Okay, 6 no 9.
Yeah.
So besebenza nezi zi-3 for now. For the 54, so there's 27 and 2. But the 27 and 2 does not, plus it's dibanisa okanye subtract, does not equate to 15. Yabo. So this one you can take it out kuba hiyo. Then let's say 6 and 9 as well. 6 no 9 plus multiplier, because this is add. They can equate to 15 because 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. So let's look at the as well, 18 and 3. 18 and 3, minus, can you add, can you 10 and I? We are equated to 15 or 18 and 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
Now no sonele situ 18 and 3.
yeah, 6 and 9. Yeah, but zombie actually they can equate to the same results.
Oh yeah.
They're promo 15.
Ngatoka ngapha le.
Okay. So then sibuyele back and singathi x this side, x that side, then minus 54 most. So whatever we do, we have to make sure ukuba i-number like enkulu born between ezi, because no 6 and 9 was as candidates, no 18 and 3. So funeka inamba enkulu kuyo yonke lento esenzayo ibe yiyo like a negative, yabo, because we asikwazi uthi negative and negative. Oh, for inamba enkulu funeka ibe positive actually.
Yes.
Yeah. So eyona case yenza because ezi ukuze zibe equal to 15 it said funeka zibe both positive okanye both negatives. So as we back to this ubone yabo. So we only left with 18 and 3 yabo. So we can put 18 this side, we can put 3 that side. Then 18 has to be positive kuba i-middle term yethu like a positive, then lena izaba minus, then xa sizi-eda izinto, let's go back nje siphinde sibuyisela, so izaba x squared minus 3x plus 18x, so ezi is equator to 15x, so that's what we want there, it's a positive 16x. So sibe siqobile usimplify yabo, so we simplifying up yabo, basically phofu factorize, yeah, so similar to simplify. Yeah.
Just that with simplification, you don't really need but of money the exact answer.
Yeah.
Just put it with simplest
The
form.
simplest form, yeah. So don't think anyone is from factorize, yeah. So you can go to 1.1.3 if no one has any questions again.
No, I got questions. Just that you finally receive 6 and 9 is off the table.
Yeah. So y minus xy plus x minus 1. So ezi funeka senze into ekuthiwa yi-grouping ukuze sikwazi i-factorize.
Yeah.
Yabo, so what I see, it's y and y. Okay, as much as kukho x and x, but x and x it's better mandenze y and y. Yabo, because xa ndisenza, let's say I take out y, so kuzoshiyeka 1 minus x, then kweli cala ndizawuthi nje ndiyiyeke kanje ibe ngu-x minus 1. Yabo, so now since ndifuna ndenze i-grouping mas, so ndifuna eli cala lifane nala 1 minus x, so that ndikwazi usifaka kwi-binomials ezimbini yabo. So what we can do in this case, into yoba u-x wethu positive this side, apho negative, u-1 wethu negative this side, ngapho positive. So what we can do, we can just take out minus kweli cala u-1. So it's 1 minus x. So if you take out minus, so it's going to be minus 1. Then ibe ngokuba kushiyeke minus x be plus 1, which is this is the same as 1 minus x. Yeah. So then we're going to be left with 1 minus x minus 1 minus x.
Yes.
Then now siyakwazi ngokugroupisha since like zifana yabo,
Bracket, so just pick one.
so sithatha le simultiply with this one, so that should be our final answer since senze grouping in the case. So andiboni
Sure, that's the
yeah, it should be done in this case.
I'm quite sure if you call a leg, because le usando multiply by negative, so I'm quite sure if ebecho ngoku benika sa step okanye usandotshoka ngoku,
Mark,
so bawutsho bona uba ikhona leg
owam-twitch noko bafanza
phofu napha ingena ngexesha eli-1.
so if anyone has a question for that,
Bangaconfirma nabo uba ingabikhona i-leg.
yeah, but how would they know ukuba kukho like
I-communication bawubona uba like kudala etexte into then thina siyoyiresponda kanye.
then we can move on but fanele uba ndihleli ngapha
Yeah.
ndiyeke nosensitsho like i-chat ndiyeke
Oh,
because I have to always go back and to see. And
awuboni kakuhle ba?
remember, no, it's not like awuboni kakuhle, but remember, at least lena inkulu you can see it properly. Yabo.
Yeah,
So
but ikhona i-leg.
okay, that's fine. So mane siba slower before singene kwenye question basically sawulinda njani
sigezelwa ngu-Vodacom apha hopefully kukho
fiber
i-fiber ezayo yeah ubani kanti igama lami
fiber time
fiber time yeah andikho sure if sekhona eDelft
Sithi ababazo isazofuna umuntu ozoyi-activate something.
so hopefully xa seyikhona i-fiber then ilek izawuphela but okwangoku masibe silegisha because nyhani understand why Vodacom and Vodacom should at least
yeah
abe ngcono.
so to simplify the following expressions in full so soqala ngo-1.2.1 so expression yethu it's x plus 2 then bengo x squared minus x plus 3 so no ngizenzela wena ukwazi nanzo so in this case xa sithiwa simplify that means uba sisuse brackets we multiply we divide if we could divide yonke loo until we can't basically so in this case we just have to take out the brackets so we have to multiply everything so lena funeka multiply zonke as factors as term nalena has to do the same thing or this side no so with that
thing icima uphinde uyibhale no
yeah so x plus 2 phinde bengu x squared minus x again plus 3 yeah so x no x cubed then x no minus x it's going to be minus x squared x no 3 so it's going to be plus x 3x then O2 no x squared it's going to be plus 2x squared then O2 no minus x it's going to be minus 2x then O2 no 3 izoba plus 6 for cross multiplication yonke leyo so we only have cube oyi-1 so cube is going to stay the same as cube then we have x squared ababini so sabadibanisa yabo so it's minus x squared plus 2x so it's going to be x squared plus lona x minus kwela cala yabo so shekela ngo-x squared oyi-1 then it's not 3x esithi zinantsuku ezimbini so ngu-3x minus 2x so we're going to be left with plus x and then maybe plus 6 so yeah that's basically simplifying and
I'm still fuzzy.
yeah.
You think one day I'm still fuzzy, just that I woke up.
Oh,
I haven't been there.
I don't take break in the class out time. I think that's it, Nas. I don't think I call the question. Siyabaleka ayine here. So if umuntu ukufuna understand you see then we can explain something like in depth and all that one. If we can siyakwazi ukwenza like ezinye examples ubone just to show one method yeah so x plus x3 with minus 3 over 2 minus x.
One. Yeah.
So kwezi simplify most still so this one is similar to ngathi mhlambi 1 over 2 minus mhlambi 1 over 3 yabo so xa usenza loo nto kuye kuthiwe fumana i-LCD loss common denominator yabo so in this case uba ngu-6 because uzomultiply ngo-2 this side multiply ngo-3 this side but into yenzayo ufuna kuyenza nakwelinye icala. So if you multiply by 3, you have to multiply by 3. If you multiply ngo-2, uzamultiply ngo-2 ubone yabo for lowest common denominator yakho. So in this case, lowest common denominator yethu izaba zezi-10 zombini. So izaba yonke lento yethu is going to be x plus 3, 2 minus x. Then sibe nenatswa yethu on top. Yabo? So into engenayo, if no x plus 3, we have to multiply it by 2 minus x. Yabo? Then if no 2 minus x, can I see multiply by x plus 3?
With the concession denominator.
Yeah. Yabo? So in this case, u5, see under like x plus 3, so that means we have to multiply u5 wethu by 2 minus x, then it'll be minus 3. Minus 3 for multiply by x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 3. Then from there onwards, we must solve basically because we must simplify at the end of the day. So it's 10 minus 5x minus 3x minus 9 over 10 to yonke x plus 3, 2 minus x. Then can move on to this side a bit. So minus is minus are so it is it.
Like terms, basically.
Yeah. So 10. So it's 10 minus 9. So kuzosho 1. So 1 minus 5x minus 3x kuzosho minus 8x over x plus 3 2 minus x. Got any difference in?
That's it.
Because I don't think
Finally,
there's something fair that we can do from here. Because if we say okay, so the bracket
Well,
as simplify.
yeah.
So just 1 minus 8x over 2x minus x squared plus 6 minus 3x. Then still saying 1 minus 8x because only.
Therefore, it's going to be 1. Right?
Then minus x squared. Then is equal to minus x. Then be plus 6.
Okay. Okay. So I think that's
But mostly, simplify. Usually x squared as my phone.
Yeah.
You know? So you can just
here.
here. Because we simplifying at the end of the day. So this is where we end.
I think that is the last step for me. 25.
Yeah.
bani ngiyabona po. Kanti bathi si chef. Kanti bathi si chef.
What did the questions be
Ngidlala onaza.
So you can take over mhlawumbe like here and I'll manage the stream.
First get my cheese back.
So I reckon somebody headlisha.
But I'll tell you, man.
I don't know.
So what we want to
So for all, let's go back here. So 1.2.3. No, mostly man also for it's a symbol if you practice. So it's where mostly you collect your marks at like names. So as long as it's practice like they should be easier with time. Because mhlawumbe thina sibhala ngoyazi yonke loo nto because of the practice and iminyaka and all that. But now if you practice uzayibona uba it's just a repeat of the same thing over and over and over again. No. So let's do this. You can say ukuba should we do 1.3 okanye comfortable with 1.3 so that we can skip mhlawumbi like 1.3 ubone yabo.
I doubt I'll be compatible with that.
So 25 to the power, okay, Mark. So 25 to the power minus x multiply by 15
Yes,
to the power x plus 1 divide yonke by 3 to the power x multiply by 5 to the power minus x. So that's our expression. Yeah. Expression I didn't equal sign notes. Yeah. So we simplify as well. So it's not 25, it's not 15, it's not 3, it's not 5 as well. So the exponents. So the first step is to break down 25.
Five.
Yeah. So 25 is made out of 5 to the power 2.
We have to
So
this guy
5 to the power 2 multiplied by minus x. Let's multiply. 15 is made out of 3 no 5.
Yes.
Yeah, so
3
go 3
multiplied by 5.
multiply, but you carry the same over 3 multiplied by 5, but you're going to power
Wait.
x plus 1.
Wait, but don't you? As no, let's separate and since it's 15x plus 1, then we just separate it into 15x multiplied by 15 over 1.
1. We can then say separate 15
Yeah.
and go 3 to the power 1 multiplied by
5.
5 to the power 1. But at the same time, in a lab,
Yeah.
because this can is about 3 to the power x to the plus 1, it can be 5 to x plus 1.
But still, you're gonna do the same thing.
Same thing, yeah. But okay, masithi ihlobo lakho this side, yabo. So would masithi 15, yabo, 15 to the power x plus 1 was, yabo. So what we should do, we say xa siqhubekeka sithi 15 to the power x bamba multiply by 15 to the power 1, yabo.
Yeah.
Then from apho sithi 3 multiply by 5 being power x being power x nalapha being 3 1 multiply by 5 to the power 1. Then ke ngoku
Mark, if I'm not 15, if I'm mistaken.
Which question?
for uyayibala. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, so no be a bala from mistake like
No, that's good.
Okay.
But upper the two and up,
Yeah, simplify.
let's simplify.
Yeah.
Yabo. Okay, it's fine. So
Not the real Vix, super of many of 15.
Possibly, yeah, that's the answer.
Yeah. So we can just move forward. Sibaleke ubone yabo. So
I'm below rate.
yeah. So let's catch up. Let's catch up. So it's 5 minus 2x multiplied by 3x plus 1 multiplied by 5x plus 1. Okay, mandibhale kakuhle. So suke ndizenyuse since bephambili nonam bephambili. So it's 5 minus 2x multiplied by 3x plus 1 multiplied by 5x plus 1 multiplied by 3 to the power minus x multiplied by 5 to
Ingathi
the
wona
power.
ufumana lo 15 lo.
Nam lona uyabona ndiyasipida
No,
ndisekile nezinto. Yabo. So 5 esiyabacombine bonke, yabo. So combine no 3 exponents. So it's going to be 5 minus 2 is about minus. So this is going to give us 5 to the power 2. Then multiply by 3 minus. Whoa. Yeah, but it's no power 3. So, Jobin Chong half, power 3, Jobin Chong. So, x, no x. So, it's about x to the power 1. So, x, no minus x. So, it's about 3 to the power 1. So, that's 15. Yeah. since beyazi nam ndiyaspid since beyazi
Uleqe u-15 straight.
so bathe 1.3 akho nedismens okanye should be 1.3 because ngoku umntu speed
Confirm bona
yeah,
ngoba
should be
1.3.
1.3 yeah, so the answer is 15. I feel like it's ruler for a one as well.
Including the 1.3.
That's why I'm asking like 1.3. One.
So
PX.
asilinde bade ba-responde for 1.3.
Yeah.
Just the rise fucking cut.
Where?
Done. PX plus QX equal to A. I'm taking out common factors.
For the scope of X. Come on, so it's
To make
better.
an I now bracket it both sides.
Yeah. It's been on X as equal to A over P plus A. Yeah. And then the shares with X kuba like sishiyeka kanje inathimi nje sikhundla sikwazi yena sinazo ukuthi
The question is
some skipper
Man, abaka-respond. Andikho sure uba why benga-respond.
speed run it if that's the case.
Khawubuya kwa-OBS ndijonge maybe ikhona reply oko begqibele upondi.
So let's quickly see ifoni le yakubonisa nje download sign wait okay, let's do 1.3.
Or maybe leg yona le cause uba bangareply.
I'm not sure. So it determine the value of P of 3P plus Q squared if 9P squared plus Q squared is equal to 12 and P multiplied by Q is equal to minus 3. So when we simplify, so it's 3P plus Q plus 3P plus 3
or to the power 6.
Then with this, so I multiply again. So it's 9P squared
Oh, you wrote.
plus 3PQ plus 3PQ plus Q
Only control
squared. So remember ke ngoku kuthiwe u-9P squared plus u-Q squared is equal to 12. So mandizibeke ecaleni so 9P squared plus u-Q squared plus Q squared. So nansi then ke ngoku ndishiyekelwe u-6PQ. So this one I know is equal to 12. So then plus u6 angifuna simultiply by PQ, which is minus 3. Then that means it's 12 plus this is 12 minus 18. No, plus 6 multiplied by 3 it's 18.
Yeah.
So maybe minus 6 and 5. So it is really an expression minus 6. Yeah, that's forward.
Also, it's really.
Yeah, then some comments Mandians since no one is responding to it. Musanzayo.
Confirm.
Question 2 to solve for x. So that should be quite easy for abanye abantu. So 2.1.1 go px plus 2x is equal to
Yo, nobe lag inkulu kakhulu yazi because ungonaphendula ngokuthi 1.3 is a no. So nyani lo fiber time ningafiki.
something.
Guys by lag engaka hayi.
Let me ibhali.
Last time.
Then let me just comment here. Let's see. Let's see. And let's see ukuba lokuvela nini kubo.
Ivelile yo.
Okay, that's fine. When you can manage if someone sends something with chat and then you can say it instead. Because it's Google Network A1 as well. Yeah. This one solve for x. So siyamkhupha as term common between the two is equal to a. Then x is equal to a over p plus q. Then we're done. Because I feel like it's the first learners as well. so it's just the
Awudingi ukuthi
I could need I could need to explain like a lot. Then maybe for 1.1.2, we're solving for x minus 2, so 2x minus 5x plus O2 is equal to 0. So this goes back to binomials, vectors. Then it's 2x, then x, O2, this side, then 1. Then since it's positive, so it's going to be both negative. Then x, I'm not sure why you're the fast ago. I'm not sure I'm saying because no countries. But why you to the better? So it's 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So we factorize because sine coefficient in front of 2x. So if it's multiplier 2x no minus 2 is gonna be minus 4x. Yeah. Then if we see multiplier is minus 1 or minus x is going to be minus x, which gives us the middle term. So that means not like a right in terms of like a binomials.
Yes.
Yeah, what they could. So I just wanted to explain the part. Then upper is going to be 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 1 over 2, or x is equal to 8. Then, yeah. Because 1 was a really and then it's divided over 2 to isolate. Then,
i-writing yakho isezantsi.
I think you can say it. No, was it?
Iyabonakala ndiyakhalifisha.
interested in that.
Okay, iyabonakala. More especially if ndibukela in real time.
Yeah. Then, confirmed.
If I can do this one.
Target.
Yes, two.
Take them.
Bye, guys. Shit. Last 10 minutes.
Last 10 minutes.
Last 10, yeah. I can check.
Which means, and this is going to be 2 months. Anyway, this one and this one.
Yeah.
This one.
And the last two.
Okay. So in this question, we want to, we're still solving for Xmas.
Yeah.
So it's
1.3.
It's 2.1.3. And then we have,
Yeah.
we have a bracket and a half. And then it's 3 to the power 3x plus 1 is equal to 32. So as I think for us, like we in this question, we're gonna be required in a way to have these two bases become the same in a way. So first of all, it depends on where you can factorize land or you just first change an answer the half. So first of all, I'm just gonna do this way. So it's gonna change the magnitude to half. If you flip it, it's gonna be 2 to the power negative 1.
Yeah.
Now let's try that way. So it's gonna be 2 power negative 1 into 3x plus 1, and then we have 32 on this side. And then we're gonna multiply by everything that we have there as power inside. So it's gonna be 2x to the power. Now it's negative 1 multiplied by 3, it's gonna be negative 3x, and then negative 1 multiplied by positive 1 is gonna give us negative 1. So it's 2x, it's 2 to the power negative 3 minus 1 is equal to 32. So first of all, we are going to have to change this into bases to be the same so that we can be able to use exponential laws.
So base 2 basically.
Yeah, basically that's it. And then you're just going to change this to 32 power. Yeah, okay, it's going to be 2 to the power 5.
5 plus 2 to the power 3 or 9,
Yes.
8 to the power 4 or 16, 2 to the power 5 or 32.
So we have this something of this nature. We have this, and then bases are the same. Then we just take out and say.
So whenever
Exponents.
bases are the same, you drop the base.
Yeah, we take out the exponents as well.
Yeah.
So which means it's not sure if you have
Yeah, we can say.
Okay, so it's 2 to the power negative 3x minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 5. So I have this thing, then we're going to have to drop bases in as drop bases, and then we're going to deal with the exponents now. So it's something of this nature, it's negative 3x minus 1 is equal to 5. And then we're going to transpose the negative 1 to that side so that we can isolate, basically isolation in this method. So it's going to be negative 3x is equal to, now the 1 is negative this side, first transpose the values are positive, and then we're just going to add the 5 to give us 6. And then we divide by negative 3 both sides because we want to x, and therefore x is equal to negative 2.
So that's,
So now let's say the answer negative 2.
Yep.
so it means Baba they follow along. Or,
Yeah.
something. So we can do the third one, the last one.
My so question you were on 45 because quantify it really. But
So for m, so
So that's the question 2 plus
yeah,
this is the patterns.
how we can push to
Patterns.
finish question.
I usually like patterns.
Yeah. So I can just finish. So even simultaneous.
Okay, so I think we were given first of all I forgot what the points. So it's something of this nature. We're given negative 11 is less than or equal to 3m minus 8 is less than 4. So I'm given this, and we have to find e values got m. So in this type of question, we can see. Oh well, let me say we can see. Maybe some of us cannot really articulate it first, But I think when you're given something of this nature, you're gonna have true values got m. So we have to solve for e value got m now. Then we're given this now, ne? So the first one we're just gonna transpose law. This first of all, first isolate.
It's like in London.
Oh,
For pi squared.
forgot.
Yeah.
So I have to first isolate unanska wami or m1. So we can see that we have 3m minus 8 must up. So we have to first isolate that, and then we're gonna transpose this 8 into the other sides. So it's gonna be something of this nature. It's negative. But it's gonna be less than or equal to. Then we transpose this 8. It's negative this side. It's gonna be positive that side. So it's gonna be negative 11 plus 8 3m less than or equal to 4 plus 8 this time around. So this is going to give us negative 3 less than or equal to 3m less than 12. Yeah, something that's 12. And then divide by 3 both sides,
Yeah.
because we want to m. So therefore m is greater than or equal to negative 1, because 3 over 3 is going to give us 1, negative 1. But m at the same time is less than 4. And then questions is into this, you're going to be required and we place any number line or we graph, any graph. It can be a number line or a parabola. It depends on the question you're given. So in this case,
solve. So this one says only solve
for m.
For m, so m is between the interval, so it's between -1 no-4. So akunethi mhlambe sibona kwi-line graph ubone kuba kuphi na and all that to show.
Hence write down the number of integers that satisfy the inequality.
Yeah.
And now we'll go. Ain't it gonna be this question that we're gonna have to basi in and say
according for to write down the number of integers that satisfy the inequality, meaning uba sifuna uyazi uba zingaphi integer between the interval moses certify about the inequality. So integers unatsoka
zero numbers or negative 0 kunye ne-positive values.
Yeah. So it's 5 numbers that can fit. 0 siyambala mos. Yeah. So it's 0 to imako equal mos lo.
Yes.
So let's start from -1.
1, 2,
-1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and then force them exclude because I say okay.
So asibhala nje zonke ezo numbers ezika m
Yeah.
integers, right?
So then it's 5 code. As the answer.
So it's gonna be negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and it's 3. Yeah, I think it's 5, 2, 4. Yeah, they're 5 because we're gonna include 4.
Integers 5.
No.
So 5 the answer.
Yeah.
Then simultaneous equation. Then
Okay.
Cornelas -1.
So
Yeah.
yeah.
To solve for x and y, if we're given this simultaneously, so we're given 5x plus 4y is equal to 21. That is our first equation. And then we have 2x is equal to 3 minus y. That's our second equation. Okay, it will depend with sensei, but yeah, we can try to use the second equation, which is, but no, okay, it's fine. Okay, let's use equation 2. Let's try to use it.
Because already nakuwayo
Yeah, so it
kind of
can be
isolated.
outside.
Akunethi siwenze like a lot of things.
Yeah, just need one to divide it by that
Yeah.
two inside. So we're gonna create our third equation.
We have to divide by 2. Uyakwazi uthatha labo 3 umse ngapha yalushiwo.
Y, so it's gonna be okay.
Instead of dividing ngibona ukwazi uthatha nje labo 3 mbuyelisa and then shiwo kwela cala.
Okay, and then to divide by
Yeah.
but still I would have to divide with -1 so that y will be positive.
But ilula because like at least like equations zakho zoyi-3 similar asina
Yeah.
division and that.
Okay, let me try it using that way. So in this equation,
So it's about
we're gonna take this equation. So it's gonna be negative 2x because we're divided by -1. So it's gonna be negative 2x. Now some transpose this in last part of plus 3 is equal to y.
yeah, so
Then you get down y. I'm gonna just replace by this. That's our third equation.
then use it both.
So okay, in replace, I just gonna replace by this whole
So we
equation.
replace it in equation 1. So
Yeah.
if we that equation yakho yenza equation 2, funakala kusebenzisa equation 1 to
One.
replace, but
Yeah.
you cannot replace the equation besala nazo kakho.
Practice it. It was slow. But the other two work faster than the hands up. So it's something of this nature, must.
It happens to many people, but
Like, yeah, I should practice that.
people are
It's equal to 21.
going too fast.
So it's gonna be 5x plus 4 multiplied by 2. It's gonna give us no, but it's negative 2 actually. So it's gonna give us negative 8. It's gonna be negative 8.
Yeah.
So it's going to be negative 8x because of 2x,
Yeah.
and then go 4 multiplied by 3. It's going to give us positive 12. Is equal to 21. Now we'll be like terms. We're going to just add the like terms, and then it's just going to give us negative 3 up because 5 minus 8. So it's negative 3x. Transpose this 12 that side. It's going to give us 21 minus 12. It's going to give us 10.
9.
9 is 9 or 7. Yeah, it's going to give us a positive 9. And then divide by negative 3 both sides. Oh, yeah. And then, x over 2 is going to give us and right 3 more. So it's going to be negative 3.
Yeah.
And then after that, shit. Got.
Yeah. So x what is going to be minus 3.
Did you get the same answer?
Then you can come and just do it.
Ufonela to x no 7 over 5
Over
and then
5.
y 1.
7 over 5.
5. I think Ilando you're on 6. We divide. I mean, divide till now.
Okay, let's see. Wait.
Wait, if I didn't make any mistakes, that's all.
Mistakes.
Yeah, I think we went a mistake. We divide. I think so. No, I went there the same method that I was going to use.
But no one's there.
They should,
I think no.
give us the same answer. What?
What he used the elimination method. It's much easier and saves time.
What is an
Elimination? Usually, you don't really grade 11.
Okay,
You have to. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, but in the future, as he goes to next grade, you should try to learn this one.
Yeah,
Because elimination it makes a lot of mistakes.
Yeah, that's the elimination method. Right?
Not really.
I don't even thinking like something over 5 is the correct answer.
Yeah.
No also didn't say method. I don't think so.
Possibly sneak the same answer.
So you know we call the mistake.
There's mistakes somewhere somehow.
Because that's henceforth you are encouraged, but like in this as you go to other grades, but like elimination, shall we use the substitution?
Substitution. Because the substitution at least you can uyakwazi ujonga zonke isteps zakho ngendlela right uba you followed the right procedure. Because at least I think lena ngo 4 marks or so
It's not really that much.
ingxaki izawunyuka as time goes, so it's going to be 5 marks, it's going to be 6 marks. So it's always best ukuba mawuqale
The simplest one.
this one ubona ngelo
Yeah.
hlobo whereby like you just substitute and solve, because xa sengo 6 marks it's going to be complex
Yeah.
more, so instead of ukuba mawusebenzise the method
Because iyakwazi uba ibe quadratic.
yeah.
Quadratics. Then be quadratic yonke.
Ah,
You can even go up to 4 terms before they qualify. So you have to use substitution because it's more simpler.
It's easier to
Yeah.
follow ubona as
But if he doesn't understand it, like
how continuation
yeah,
yakho.
continuation see.
Then without explainer kahle or else khathi sibuze. Oh, okay.
Oh,
Uthi
ubonile
ubonile
mistake
mistake yakhe. Okay. Sure.
So then we substitute x ke ngoku minus 3
and
to
la
Y.
equation, yes.
so equation 3.
Yes.
Yeah.
Going back to equation 3. So I'm gonna write it this way now.
Manje nangu the real bigs uthi y ngu9 u-x
Yeah.
negative 3.
So minus 3 then
Equal to negative 2 and under x you just put in negative 3. And then plus that's it, plus 3s. Y is going to give us 9. Because this a negative multiplied by negative is going to give us positive 6 plus 3, yeah, it's going to give us 9.
Yeah, that's
When the real VIX, did you use elimination method or the substitution? I guess so too.
sifanele ufumene u3 then y kube ngo-39.
Okay, so I think i-simultaneous equation ikhona i-mistakes ezenziwayo ngabo. So kofuneka maybe yona igxininiswe kakhulu.
I think now we should do that question. I would like quadratic, quadratic.
Paper
Ima ndisuke ngiye kulo straight because khona la side.
just to gain.
Yeah, with the real VIX isebenzise substitution.
Just nje sonzela ke ngacela senza nje i-simultaneous A1 just one more then sebenzise this.
So sifanele
Just not
sithi
28.
u-x ngu-3 u-y ngu-minus 3. Yeah, so of which neyakhe different from
Yeah. So let's just go
Real VIX.
kwenye like question in
Yeah. So yeah, funeka uphinde enye funeka 2017 jikajika befane phayi phezulu i-simultaneous khathi so.
Fanza question 7. Question 2.
Nah, simultaneous 2.2.
So just
Yeah. Okay. Then ubele pha. So masizameni le
this one and see. Yeah.
sisebenzise substitution le.
It's 2.2 almost the question.
Yeah.
It's 2.2.
Sure, Hlonel. Sure. Uzawuminda le mistake yakhe ayenzileyo. And also sure, just to ask the question, Hlonela uyakwazi usebenzisa le substitution method instead of elimination.
So we have 2.2 first of all, color penguin. If one continue it.
Question.
Yeah, ungabubhala.
Okay. So 2.2 it's we have two equations, which is negative 12x minus y is equal to 10. That's equation 1 with.
Mali ngicela ujike alingene intontoni so that izahamba straight pha. Yeah.
Then kube ngu
3x minus
3x
4y is equal to minus 4.
okay 4y minus is equal to minus 4.
Yeah.
So minus 4y
It's equal to minus 4.
minus 4. That's equation to it. So I think the easiest way up we just check. Like basically we substitution. First of all, you have to check equations zakho zoyithune. And then go checking kwakho you're gonna check APA or not, like that would be simplest for you to simplify.
When the
To get
subject
one
of the formula.
yeah, to get such a subject to the formula. So in this term, I think we're gonna have to use the first one. I think it's gonna be the one that we can get this subject to the formula easier.
Because why you isolated
Yeah,
already.
yeah.
So according to divide, according to answer anything, you just as long as in as really subject to
Side.
that other side.
Simple.
So that y be subject of a formula.
So we're gonna have something of this nature, from this equation. So we have this 2x minus y
Or to memorize this
equal to
otherwise.
10. And therefore, we're just gonna
No,
transpose.
it's always best to you like it's always best as much as like elimination
Yeah.
kind of works, but it's always best to ubambe basics
Yes,
zale
yeah.
because yiyo la kuzokontinuation ngayo ku grade 11 grade 12 so awuyazi lena you won't struggle because simultaneous equation yana abantu ufika la kuba struggle
Yeah.
so at least qhubekeke with this one.
And there's different marks, as I would say, because that time, like, it's 5 marks.
Yeah.
5 or plus, yeah, it's 4 plus marks. So we're gonna have this, okay. So we have negative 2x minus y is equal to 10. Now we're going to try to create a third equation here using this equation number 1. So yeah, we can just transpose the negative 2x that side. So we're going to be left with negative y is equal to 10 plus 2x. But then we don't want negative y because we don't have negative y there. We don't want negative y, we're just going to use positive y. So yeah, we'll divide by negative 1. Negative 1 and then yeah. So that y is equal to negative 10 minus 2x. That's our equation 3. So we're gonna use this equation. It was substituted to equation 2. You just substitute equation 3 to the equation that you didn't use from those equations that you were given. So yeah, I shouldn't. I think I'm just gonna. Can I erase this?
Why erase the purpose?
Okay. So okay, it's fine.
Then
It's fine. So we had equation 2. It was 3x minus 4y is equal to negative 4. Negative 4. So in the one guy y, we're just going to replace by this thing that we got from equation 3 weights that we just created. So in the one guy y, just put in that. So we have 3x minus 4. In the one guy y, we're just going to put in negative 10 minus 2x is equal to negative 4. Then yeah.
I think x equals to negative 36 over 11 and then y 38 over 11.
Okay, let's check it.
With the real base.
Yeah, let's check it. If yeah, we were corresponding. So it's gonna be 3x, since some of you said in Zealand, so it's 4 multiplied by negative 4 multiplied by negative 10. So positive answer, it will already know that part. Then it's gonna be giving us 40 was 4 times 10. It's 40. Then negative 4.
X equals to negative 4, no y equals to negative 2.
Okay, let me check it. The colors is a bit fast one.
I couldn't need to be fast. Yeah, in a pace that's I join after.
Okay, so can be the mistake. So
yeah. So negative 4 just multiply to negative 10, it's give us positive 40, and then give us negative 4 multiplied by negative 2x. It's gonna give us positive 4 multiplied by 2, it's gonna give us 8x is equal to negative 4. And then we will take it like terms. This 8 there, but I can try to cancel them. And then yeah, it's gonna give us 3 plus 8. It's giving us it's 11. 11x, yeah. It's 40. It's equal to negative 4. And then we'll transpose 40 that side. It's 11x is equal to 440. It's gonna be
minus 4.
Yeah,
44.
No, 44.
Minus 44.
Yeah. So 44 divided by 11.
So x is minus 4.
So x is equal to minus 4 almost.
Yeah.
So x is minus 4 times, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I think
One ends up y.
okay. Now I'll do y. So our equation, it was like this. It was y is equal to negative 10 minus 2x must. That is why
Negative 10 plus minus 2x.
the other one negative 2x. So the one guy x just gonna replace by negative 4. So minus 10 minus 2 into negative 4. Then yeah, it's giving us minus 2.
Minus 10 minus plus 8.
Yeah, it's gonna be giving us minus 2 most.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. But tell about why.
Yeah, but for me, minus 4 is x way to y for me minus 2, which is
correct.
Yeah. Yes.
Minus 1 and minus 2.
Yes. So
Mike, we could learn 38 over something. Think you'll have a check.
level 17.
Kule 7. like bekhona umuntu efumene i-fractions andazi why
No,
ingekho apha.
namhlanje figure out.
But ibivelile pha. Now, so simultaneous siyacaca noko iba nazo
Iba nee-issues,
yeah.
It's always best to double check mistake yakho ujonge go over ubone just to see uba nyani wenze
And-
ngendlela right.
And another way, like I think you can also go check it from equations. Just press calculate. That was an answer. You check if it does give you that answer.
Yeah.
Equate you go.
But if I pull me
Yeah,
what
yeah.
answer, then that means
Check.
it's sure.
Because it's rare to get a fraction. But yeah, you do get it, but it's rare.
Yeah, at grade 10 ufana ufumane fractions.
Yeah, you only-
I think ku-grade 11 and 12
Yeah.
then kulapho udinga khona nee-fractions or x yakho kanye ze-y.
Yeah.
But okwangoku I think usually i-integers ixesha lakho elininzi.
Yeah. And like, yeah, they should practice simultaneous and also try to check is a simultaneous that are quadratic. Because that's what you will be dealing with.
Yeah, later but ngoba prepare bayabhala ngomso.
Normally, oh,
So prepare for ngomso.
no,
So besenza solve for x.
I wish they had you but
And due to time,
Oh, benditshile uba ndino-5 site namhlanje.
yeah.
So ndizawuhamba then ndibone uba I think ndinokuya phaa ngo-5.
kube ngakhona na enye session or not.
Yeah.
But
But
enye session might continue from okanye I think u-3 or something.
Kuzawuba zi-number patterns.
Yeah, patterns, yeah.
yeah. Left side's one.
Oh, and yeah. So yeah. Thank you, man, guys, for joining. At least I think we will run your le up of man sekubana net chat
Yeah.
active. And yeah, sawubona.
Yabona uba selonga uthi nama imsebenzeli elimination ubona bokuyifumana i-fraction.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Right, which one?
Yeah, I think the best way is
Yeah, elimination mhlambi I would say yeah, okay. Just for safety measures usukela ku as much as like this one is longer. But at least ufumana like answers like as right.
Yeah.
Especially if you're solve for x yakwazi kwenza izinto zakho simple, you will always get the right answers when using this
Yeah.
method.
because yeah, Lado elimination can cost you marks.
Yeah. It costs you 4 marks as well.
You see, like you
4
see 3
marks.
marks.
Yeah.
That can be safe than sorry.
Let's see. Later on.
So thank you, gents. Ndizawuphinda nditsho phaa ku-Discord bazawuphinda sibe live.
Okay.
Yabo. Okay. Okay, the next section.
Okay,
Can we
calculate
dive
functions.
into functions? Oh
Okay.
yeah, I have problem. I have problems.
For the multiple question like papers where like sense functions and paper sense functions in the paper.
I have problems. So I think sawuqhubeka kweli besilenza
Yeah,
kwi-functions zazo then
Say when.
siye nakwelinye iphepha ke ngoku. Andikho sure ke ngoku uba ni-right uba siskipe i-number patterns. If ni-right then I have problems. I'll skip i-number patterns.
Let's just wait and see if everyone is comfortable. Say as was focus on long part. And for the next section.
Yeah.
Yes, people must actually pay.
I'm going
Ten.
10.
Then
Grade 12.
thinking of e-number patterns.
Oh, no. If it's simultaneous, ufumana 7 marks, ufumana
It needs 5.
yeah.
Get that. Win number patterns.
Yeah, linear.
That's yeah, I scored that thing.
Yeah, linear. That's it. So that should be it.
Sure, gents. Sanibona namhlanje late, but I think kufuneka ibe khona le session for i-functions ezi. Sure.